Do you want to know how you can log into your permanent residence portal? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your permanent residence portal. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then open Google. In the Google search bar, search for Permanent Resident Portal. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Government of Canada, and you can see that this is the official login portal of permanent residents. Go ahead and scroll down and you can see the option of username or email address. Go ahead and write down your username or email address with which you registered to the Permanent Residence Portal of Government of Canada. After you write down your username or email address, write down your password and then click sign in. This way you can log into your Permanent Residence Portal. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking on this eye icon, and if you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to click and you can recover your password once again. So, if you don't have an account yet, click create an account and you can create a permanent residence account for yourself in Government of Canada. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.